5:40 p.m. So we are exactly 5 hours before our flight. Our flight is at 10:40 p.m. Nag-park na kami dito sa may NAIA Terminal 3 and babalikan na lang namin siya. On Monday, pagbalik namin. Let's go! We're here at NAIA Terminal 3 na. It's 5:45. Tapos check muna namin kung open na yung aming flight for check-in. 5J310.
Wala pa ba?
Wala pa? Wala pa. Asan? Ayun. Oo, hindi pa open. So, bayad muna tayo ng travel tax. It's 6:55 p.m. And nandito na ako sa may check-in counters. Andun sila. Sa kabilang side, may nag-work pa kasi. Meeting tapos na ang work. Congratulations! Congratulations! 7:20 nakapag-check-in na tayo. Pupunta na tayo ng immigration. Are you ready?
I'm so excited.
Hi, are you ready?
Yeah. It's my first time.
It's 7:25. Kakapasok lang namin ng pila for immigration. Update, it's 8:22 p.m. and we are done with the immigration and the security check. So maghihintay na lang kami ng boarding time.
Ang dami nilang tanong.
Congratulations! Ang dami tanong sa kanya. Katabi ko siya eh. Andyan siya kanina. Ayun o. Zay! Congratulations!
Okay sa kami.
Hi! 8:35 and magdi-dinner muna tayo. Our boarding is at 9:55. So, yung tayo kain sa favorite natin. Airport food, Papa King. Let's go! Sarap. Sarap. Water bottle sarap. Sarap. Kain muna tayo.
Ay, ganun pala.
Just landed here in Taoyuan Airport. Let's go! Time check, it's 1:35. We landed late. Majority din kasi kaming lumabas. Hello! So, okay na kami dito sa Taoyuan Airport. It's almost 3 a.m. Medyo matagal yung processing dun sa immigration kasi ang dami namin kasabay na flights. Hindi available yung showers ngayon dito sa Taoyuan Airport. Both Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. So, wipes na lang tayo mga B. Hanapin muna namin yung raffle for the Taiwan Tourism Board. Malay natin manala tayo ng 5,000 NTD. Gusto kayo? Sorry. Mag-withdraw lang kami ngayon ng using our Gcash card. Ito muna sila. Iwan muna namin sila dyan. Let's see. Mag-withdraw na tayo ngayon using our Gcash Mastercard. Kanina nagtatry ako for 20,000 and 10,000 NTD. Hindi siya nagpo-push through. So, I tried 5,000 NTD. And naka-withdraw tayo. So, ulitin na lang natin siya ulit. Let's check how much. Ay, check ko muna. 106. So, 9106.24 divided by 5,000. 1.82. 12. So, ganda na exchange rate natin. English. Credit or international card. Enter your PIN.
Please select service.
Withdrawal.
Please select
Default.
service.
Default account.
Please select amount.
5,000.
Transaction in process. Please wait.
We're good.
Sending note.
Message sa Gcash. Card. Enter cash. Agad. Quarter to 4. Baba tayo. Quarter to 4, 6 a.m. pa yung tour namin. Dito na kami susunduin. So, baba muna tayo sa... Ito! Baba muna tayo sa 7-Eleven sa basement 1. Para bumili ng food. Ayan, nakita ko na agad ng 7-Eleven. Kain muna tayo. Time check, it's 4:20 a.m. Nakakain na kami ng light snacks. Bumili kami dun sa may basement, sa may 7-Eleven. And if you are like us and your flight arrives at 1 a.m. or sa madaling araw, we suggest na dito kayo magstay sa may dito na lang kayo magstay sa may North Point. Dito merong mga chairs dito. Ayan, konti lang. May mga natutulog din dito, pero safe naman yung gamit. Why do I suggest na dito kayo sa may North Point magstay? Medyo dulo na siya, so medyo wala lang tao. May vending machine, andyan ng ATM, andyan ng CR, and then ito yung elevator. Yung elevator na yan, pagbaba mo, diretso na siya ng 7-Eleven. So, sobrang convenient nitong spot na to. So, ayan, kung wala naman kayong kasamang senior or wala kayong kasamang bata na kailangan matulog at magpahinga after the flight, kung meron pa kayong energy para magstay, para makaless din kayo sa expense, because if you're going straight to the hotel, if dating kayo ng madaling araw, sarado kasi ngayon yung MRT and yung mga buses going to the city center, either Taipei Main Station or Ximending. So kung since hindi pa sila bukas, ang alternative is to ride an Uber or a taxi, and it costs around 1,200 NTD, so 2,500 peso, mga ganon, roughly like that. So makakalas na kayo ng transpo for the taxi, makakalas pa kayo ng 1 night sa accommodation. So kung kaya naman ng energy nyo, I suggest hintayin na lang din natin mag-open yung train and yung buses. And also, in our case, we are only staying here in Taiwan for 48 hours. So we're just spending the weekend here in Taiwan, Saturday and Sunday lang. Umalis kami ng Manila ng Friday night, 10 p.m., 10:40 p.m. yung flight. And then dumating kami dito around 1 a.m. na-delay kasi yung take-off dahil sa pila ng mga airplanes. So, Friday night, Saturday, early morning dito na kami ngayon, madaling araw ng Saturday. And 6 a.m. meron kaming kinontak na tour. Dito na kami susunduin sa airport and dediretso na kami ng Taichung tour. So, Taichung day trip. Tapos after nun, saka pa lang kami pupunta ng hotel namin. So, ayun. Summary yun. Let's see if kaya ng powers namin. We opted to rent a van or a car for our Taichung day tour. Since dito na kami sa Taoyuan Airport susunduin, makakapag-rest kami sa biyahe. So, samahan nyo kami later and i-update namin kayo kung okay ba yung ganitang plan.